Alright, hey guys, this HFO short vid will be on Comments Sold. It's a company designed to aid in sales through comments, and their plan for the future is to further improve on relationship-based sales and complementary sales services. And the reason we're covering this this company and this HFO short vid is because they're thinking ahead of the market. They're evaluating and focusing on the evolution and improvement of transactions in retail. So it's a quick short HFO short vid as stated, but the takeaway is be a futurist in your industry. Always be evaluating and evaluating, analyzing, evolving, and growing. So that's it for today. Learn something from Comments Sold, and in that aspect be a little more like Comments Sold. Till next time, guys.